You know everything about me, so wild and free. And you know everything about me. 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 You know everything about me.
All right, we're here, y'all. Do anybody else make them a list? Because I do. So I need to know what I'm getting from this place and keep myself on task, although I still never be on task. All right, so I had green peppers on my list, so I'm gonna just grab. Babe, you think I should get a pack of these? Think I should get a pack of these, or should I just get one?
Get one because they always so bad.
Yeah, that's true. So I got that. I needed the onion, but I like white onions. So, and then I wanted some corn on the cob as well. I don't know if I want to get the one in the husk or not, but I'm gonna grab. Babe, can you grab me a bag? What's wrong, baby? What was on there? Y'all, y'all, he is so goofy. What was on your internet browser?
X videos. And the sound was on.
Babe, put this in there. Y'all, he is so ridiculous. We is up in Walmart and this is it. Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay, let's see. What else did I have on my list? Babe, can you be checking the stuff out?
I ain't come here to work.
Excuse me?
Oh, you deaf?
Y'all, this is my life.
You don't need no pen.
You don't need no pen? Okay. All right, y'all. So he's gonna be my helper today. Isn't that right, Buttercup? Okay, no, he's not. Okay, fine.
I'm about to hit you.
Okay, so come on, because I need to get some sweet potatoes. You got the brown sugar right back. Ooh, look at that. We are out of Walmart. I had to cut recording in Walmart short. I had to get in and get out, okay? So I got as much footage as I could inside of there. I mean, y'all probably done been to Walmart a million times, but still. So we're in the car putting the groceries in, and then I'm gonna get home. I'm gonna change into me some comfy clothes because I need to be in pajamas in the house. I cannot function in regular street clothes inside of my house. So I had to put on me some PJs. I just bought me some capri bottoms from here. They were on clearance for $7 because I felt like I owed y'all that, because normally, honey, I just have on like a muumuu. But I'm gonna give y'all a little bit, give y'all something different, give y'all just a little bit of decency. Because I can listen, it's my house, I'm comfortable. But since I'm gonna be trying to record when I'm cooking, I needed to buy me something to put on. So that's what I did. So we're about to get in the car and head back to the house. I'll see y'all when we get there. All right, guys, I'm back at home. I'm about to start cooking. My son and my guy have left to go pick up my daughter from her grandparents' house. So I'm about to start cooking because I really need to get this roast into the crock pot. I'm behind, y'all. But I told you I was gonna change my clothes, so I changed into my favorite t-shirt that I got from Ross. This Boys in the Hood, and it says it ain't no fairy tale. I gotta do it for the culture. So I just got this on. It's my favorite t-shirt so far, and just some capris that I bought, the ones I told you about that I bought from Walmart. So I'm about to get started with cooking. I have to wash my hands first, of course, because if you don't wash your hands before you cook your food or after you leave the bathroom, what are you? What did you say? nasty. Exactly. So let me wash my hands and then I'll be back to you guys in a second once I start prepping the food. All right, y'all, so I am about to cut up my green peppers and my onions. I don't know how much talking I'm gonna do in this video because I do want to turn on Pandora so that I can listen to music. So that's what I'm doing, cutting up my green peppers and my onions, and I'm gonna put them in that bowl. So this is the meat that I'm going to be using. I got this chuck pot roast, and then I got stew meat just because it's 4 of us. And typically when I cook, I like to make enough for leftovers, so I like to cook for 2 days. So that's why we got the extra stew meat and the chuck roast. I hope it can all fit into my crock pot. And then these are the seasonings that I'm going to be using. I just have some brown gravy, some garlic powder. This is something that we got from the local market. Onion powder, seasoning salt. This is something that we got from the local market as well. Roasted garlic and red pepper, garlic butter. These are beef bouillon cubes. That's what these are. And then pepper and a little bit of Tony Chachere's. So that's what I'm going to use to season my meat. So I'm about to get ready and do that. So I put a glove on just so I can touch the meat and I don't have to keep washing my hands. So I'm just going to place that onto the cutting board. I'm just going to sit that. Actually, I kind of want to put this into a separate bag, but I don't want to touch it. So let me sit it in the sink just for a second. So this is the roast that I have, so I'm just going to season it. With some seasoning salt. So that was just seasoning salt. And then I'm going to put on some onion powder. I love onions, so. And then some garlic powder. Ooh, that was a lot of garlic powder. And then the Soulard grill that I have. This stuff is so good. And then just some Tony Chachere's. Alright, and then I'm gonna kind of pat that in. So that's how it looks seasoned, all seasoned up. And so now I have my crock pot on, so I'm just going to transfer it to my crock pot. Actually, I'm going to move my crock pot. All right, so I just brought the roast over on the plate, and then I'm going to put it into the crock pot, just like so. All right. So that's how it's looking in there. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and season the rest of my other meat. All right, so I have just added my roast into the pot. So now I'm making cabbage and sweet potatoes and green beans with onions and biscuits. So none of that stuff really requires takes as long as it's gonna take for the roast. So I wanted to go ahead and get the roast on because it'll be done probably about 8. So I'm gonna make the sweet potatoes and everything else once this get a little bit closer to being done. So I just broke a freaking plate. I'm really upset right now, and some of it got into my cat's dish. You guys, this is ridiculous. Look at this. Do you see that? All the broken glass. All broken. And then I'm going to have to get rid of that onion too, just because it's all over my cat dish too. This is why I don't cook. This is why I don't. Right, here is the roast. Ooh, y'all see that? Oh my god. Look at that. That's how the roast is looking. Alright, y'all. I'm about to stir it up a little bit and then start on the potatoes. you guys, I am finished cooking. I'm about to eat. Everybody is eating right now, so I'm about to eat, and I'm going to end the video right here. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you liked what I cooked. Have you ever had what I cooked? Do you cook it yourself? Leave that all in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.